Ibhodi leNgonyama Trust lithi selivele libabuyisela imali yabo abantu abevile ku-200 abaku-1620 ababekhokhiswa imali yokuhlala emhlabeni weNgonyama Trust.
So far, approximately 208 individuals have been traced and refunded, and we have given ourselves a period of 18 months to finalize contact tracing, payment, and lease cancellation.
Obambe njenge-CEO yeNgonyama Trust uSiyamdumisa Vilakazi uthi ukubuyisela laba bantu imali yabo angeke kukhinyabeze uzinzo lwebhodi njengoba vele lenza u100 million ngonyaka ngemali elitshalayo.
How does it affect the operations of the trust? It doesn't really. This is negligible. This trust makes about 100 million per annum. And we're looking at a period that is about close to 10 years, no, 20 years now, from 2007. We're just 2 years shy of 20 years. And we're looking at a total accumulated of 4 million.
Ingonyama uMisuzulu kaZwelithini oyisethenjwa aphinde abe ngusihlalo wesikhwama ubikwa ukuthi uyakweseka okwenzeka njengamanje.
We have kept His Majesty informed via his private office. You know, protocol doesn't allow us just to be direct, but there is His Majesty's private office. We communicate.
Ibhodi leNgonyama Trust lidalule nokuthi kunemali engaphezulu kuka 40 million amarandi emile izinyawo.